it's interesting to look at everybody's different perspective because Al, yours is sort of classic.
Yeah.
Well, speaking of mix and match, I mean, I don't mind saying on mine was just a kit, but I've got everything from the Hayabusa engine to Ford T-Bird spindles, front and rear. I've got the Ford T-Bird differential. I've got my steering rack is out of a Toyota truck. I mean, it's literally everything. And whereas what I like about what Steve is doing, one donor. So nice.
Yeah. Well,
and Dave, what engine? What have you got going to be happening on yours?
So I have a JDM K24A from probably a Accord Euro R, maybe, I don't know. And I have an S2000 transmission, but I have a Miata rear end. I don't feel so bad.
One of the reasons why I decided to go, Alpha all the way. Front spindles are Alpha, back axles Alpha, so all the brakes are still standard Alpha. The only change that I've made is I'm not going to be running a brake booster at all. I've just got Willwood master cylinders, and for the clutch as well. So I just bought
You have two of them? Like have you got side by side?
It's actually three. One's for the clutch, and one for the front, and one for the back. Yeah.
And a balance bar.
Yeah, it's got a balance bar. Yes.
Yeah.
Does anybody have the adjustable one?
Is it an adjustable? Do you adjust the pressure or do you adjust the bar?
It's the
you adjust the bar.
Yeah, it's the older style.
That's a waste of time. I did it on mine, and it was a nightmare. All I did to put in was an adjuster that goes into the line, into the rear line, and reduces some of the pressure to the rear line. And other than that, I just played around with the size of my cylinders on the front to get it right, and then did the fine tuning with the
pressure,
with the turning thing. Yeah.
Do you keep it like on the dash?
Is yours on a Willwood? Are yours Willwood, Al?
It's Willwood, yeah.
Yeah.
And I keep it underneath where my handbrake is. There's a little flap that I can just pull sideways, and
then you can do some finite adjustments there.
Because it'll depend whether you got a passenger in it or not if you really push it.
Yeah.